Most content owners treat localization in a throw over the ball process. Here is the source file, give me the target file back. That resembles a bit outdated manufacturing methods, where people were just outsourcing the production of certain components without caring much how it was done. The rise of the IoT, the Internet of Things, though, changed matters, because manufacturers very quickly understood that the data about how certain things are processed can be as valuable as the thing itself. It drives innovation and process optimization. Blindly outsourcing breaks the IoT. So therefore, leading manufacturers make sure that they keep full ownership over process data. So in localization, many companies do collect translation memories and some also bilingual files, but that's only half of the story. What they do not know is how the translations were done. So how do you improve your machine translation if you don't know whether a sentence has been produced by using translation memory or machine translation? How do you tune your process for certain target languages if you don't have the data available? And how do you use new technologies? I would say it's even mandatory for deploying new technologies without having collected process data before. All this can be done with language factories. Language factories, as a matter of fact, are the IoT of translation. They centralize all steps and keep all automated steps in one place and collect all the process information. They provide a smart split between certain automatic tasks, which are centralized, and then outsourced tasks, the human in the loop, which typically are done by LSPs. They provide a simple API, 3 API calls to hand over files, to poll the status of the project, and then to fetch the files. And like this, things work hand in hand, but the company, the content owner, keeps also full ownership over the linguistic assets and the process data. And that process data can be visualized and analyzed to improve the process, but it can also be harvested for other applications. So if you look beyond translation, if you deploy a LangOps strategy, then you have the possibility to use this data to support your company's AI initiatives, basically to support any textual business application. Do you want to harvest your data? Do you want to make more out of your data, more out of your linguistic assets? Well, please contact us. We can show you how. We can run a workshop and figure out how you can make better use of your linguistic assets.